This was the scene in Washington, D.C. today. The Supreme Court's morning ruling answers the question 42 million Americans have been waiting on, and they found out they will need to start paying back their student loans. The Biden administration's plan to cancel up to $20,000 in debt for some borrowers was declared unconstitutional. TJ Anthony spoke to some borrowers about the impact of having to get their wallets ready to pay.
It was very heartbreaking. I tried to prepare myself for it, but it's of course still a disappointment.
Just really anxiety, stress-inducing.
Both Whitney Hazen and Walter Fuller are educators and college grads. Both also took out student loans. They were among the millions who would benefit from President Biden's plan to wipe out nearly $500 billion in student loan debt.
It was the most exciting thing maybe that's ever happened to me because I have been struggling, so I didn't have any financial support growing up to have family that could help me out with student loans to, get through college.
Now, both the Central Georgia educators say the impacts of the 6-3 ruling striking down Biden's loan forgiveness plan will be felt.
I've got pets to help take care of my grandmother. She's not doing so good.
It's just going to be a little bit tighter on our pockets now.
Student loan payments are due in October. Interest rates start before that on September 1st. The forgiveness plan could have canceled $10,000 for people making less than $125,000.
And that'll definitely clear me out.
Fuller says the pause allowed him to get ahead.
I went from about 16 or 20,000, I can't remember, and just started hacking away at it month by month by month, just trying to bring it down as much as possible.
As for how much Hazen's now expected to pay back?
It's easy over 50. It's probably higher than that since I defaulted some.
In Macon, TJ Anthony, 13 WMAZ News.
Even before today's ruling, the payment pause was set to expire 60 days from today, which would be August 30th. The U.S. Department of Education says loan payments will be due again in October. But in remarks this afternoon, the president said a temporary on-ramp repayment program will prevent default and credit harm for borrowers if they miss a payment in the first year.